Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to send expiring photo on Telegram. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead to your App Store, Google Play. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to double check if there is a new update coming. If there is, just go ahead and update it to the latest version so you can avoid all of the bugs and the minor issues. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go back to my browser to see how to send the expiring photo or disappearing photo. Basically, you can send messages, photos, or video that vanish after a set time. If you want to send expiring photo, just go ahead to your Telegram, and I'm gonna demonstrate how it's done. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just scroll a little bit down, and then I'm gonna just go ahead and say, let's say for example, I want to send to that person, right? Click on the attachment right here to add a photo. Let's say for example, I want to add this photo, right? And what I'm gonna do, before that adding the caption, you're gonna be able to see like a one, right? One button that's like vanishes, and basically you can choose the how long the media will be kept after after opening. And basically you can set it to view once. That means if the other person will see the picture of that the one that I sent, but only once, right? So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Don't forget to follow us on social media. See you in the next one.